The Boleyn sisters, Henry VIII, and the birth of Queen Elizabeth I. 1. An idyllic English countryside with a Tudor-era village nestled among rolling green hills. 2. A majestic royal hall with grand tapestries and chandeliers, bustling with courtiers and nobles. 3. Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn walk through a lavish garden, engaged in conversation with roses blooming around them. 4. Mary and Anne Boleyn embrace in a warm hug, surrounded by autumn foliage with golden leaves falling around them. 5. Henry VIII kneels before Anne Boleyn, presenting her with a ring as she blushes with joy, with a shimmering ring in his hand. 6. Queen Anne Boleyn is crowned amidst a jubilant crowd, with trumpets blaring and colorful banners unfurled. 7. Anne Boleyn cradles baby Elizabeth in her arms, surrounded by well-wishers, with sunlight streaming through a window. 8. Mary Boleyn looks on with envy as Anne holds baby Elizabeth, her face filled with bitterness, with shadows casting across her face. 9. Anne Boleyn stands trial before a stern court, accused of treason, with ominous storm clouds gathering outside and lightning flashing in the distance. 10. Anne Boleyn kneels before the executioner's block, her face serene as she prepares for her fate, with a solemn crowd watching from a distance. 11. Young Elizabeth gazes resolutely into the distance, her determination evident in her eyes with a backdrop of a setting sun. 12. Elizabeth, VIII, is crowned queen, her regal presence commanding the attention of all, with a crown gleaming atop her head. 13. Queen Elizabeth. I presides over a prosperous kingdom, her subjects cheering her name, with banners waving in the wind. 14. A statue of Queen Elizabeth. I stands tall, a symbol of her enduring legacy, with sunlight illuminating her features. 15. The sun sets over the English countryside, signaling the end of a remarkable era, with hues of orange and pink painting the sky. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.